Alright, now the moment we are all waiting for is your first 2 chords to play your ukulele. And these 2 chords, you got to learn how to play in your first song. So get excited and have a lot of fun. We're gonna start our first chord, C chord. Then we use our 3rd finger. And our 3rd finger, which means this is finger 1 and finger 2 and finger 3. Our 3rd finger, the 3rd fret, the 1st string, 3rd fret. This is gonna be the C chord. And try the strums, down strum, use your thumb finger to down strum. And 2, 3, 4. And just keep it 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is a C chord. And the next chord, a little bit difficult, is a G7. So we just have a look at our G7. Okay, it's on your G7. You have a little bit difficult to play. So, but you can try it in a G7. So, which means your first finger on, you have to put your first finger on your 2nd string 1st fret, and your 2nd finger you have to put on the 3rd string 2nd fret, and your 3rd finger will be put on the 1st string 2nd fret, and this is your G7. And at the same time you're playing use your thumb finger and playing downstroke. That's a G7. So now today we'll practice. We need to use our C major and G7. So we just keep it practice in this lesson. Just every single downstroke on a C chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, and G7. 2, 3, 4, and repeat it. Go to C major and G7, and just keep it, and just try to keep it the basic 2 chords, which is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so now today we're gonna just the only 2 chords we need to play. So why we want to practice like this C and G7, C, G7? We just want to create our muscle memorization of within chord changing. So you can practice with your ukulele like every day, just few minutes to playing, just trying to 1 strum in a C and change to the G7 and C and G7, and just keep it repeat. That's all. Okay, so now you already know about the 2 basic chords for the ukulele, C and G7, and hope to see you next lesson. And you gotta cover songs, the happy birthday song with these 2 chords. So get excited and have fun.